Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll discuss about Django, the introduction of Django, what is Django and what are the architecture of Django. So let's open the PDF file that I have made. See, introduction Django framework. So what is Django? Actually it is Django, but D is silent. So what is Django? Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean pragmatic design. Built by experienced developer, it takes care of much of the hassle of web development, so you can focus on writing your app without needing to reinvent the wheel. Okay. Now the important point is it is based on MVT model view template design pattern. MVT is a design pattern, so it is based on model view template pattern. So, and very interesting thing, the famous tagline for this framework is the web framework for perfectionists with deadlines, and it is absolutely free and open source. So let me open the source. Allow. See here, the tagline is the web framework for perfectionists with deadlines. So this is the tagline, and I have taken the definition that Django is high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean pragmatic design built by experienced developer. It takes care of much of the hassle of the web development. So you have to focus only on the writing of the app. No need to worry other things. It is absolutely free. And the next question, if we talk, see, what are the various important features of Django, or we can say why we use Django? The answer is same. The feature of Django is a ridiculously fast development, secure, scalable, fully loaded of lots of library, tons of libraries, incredibly versatile and open source, and there is huge supported community. Okay, if you stuck somewhere, then just you have to search to the Google and definitely you will get your solution. Okay, so if we go here, see, it is ridiculously fast, reassuringly secure. Django takes security seriously and help developers to avoid many common security mistakes. Okay, is exceedingly scalable, lots of features are there, so we can take from here. Okay, and if you go to the documentation, then there is each and every steps is clearly they have mentioned how to install and all these things. So we'll see later this one, but as of now, what are the various features of Django? These are the various features, and the most important, we can say, that is explain architectural pattern of Django. Explain architectural pattern that Django follow. Okay, so as we have discussed, Django follow the model view template architecture pattern. MBT architecture is a variant of MVC architecture. MVC means model view controller. So here controller works Django itself. For the controller part, Django works itself as a controller. Okay, so there are different parts of a website so that they can develop and execute in different machines to achieve faster and more responsive website. Django implements MBT architecture by having 3 different components, and they are all handled by Django itself. That's why I am saying Django is a controller. Okay, itself. So here I have shown, see the following graph that shows the MBT pattern. See, here is a user, Django itself is a controller, and it passes the request if there is an URL. Then model is something that handles database related thing, and template is a pattern, which pattern I have to work, and the view is a logical function, we can say. View is a logical function. So let's see one by one. So model model are the part which is model.py file in Django application, okay, which defines the data structure of the particular application. And see, when we deal with Django installation, then we will discuss more details, model.py and all these things. But for now, we need to understand what all these things. We were the mediator between models and templates. They receive the data from the model and make it a dictionary that returns the same as a response to the request to the template. Okay, and template is a component with which the user interacts. It is generates both statically and dynamically in the Django server. So template is actually HTML file. Okay, and as we have discussed, model deals with database. Template is actually a HTML file by which, I mean, on which type of template we have to work. And view is actually a logical function where we write our methods. So this is the basic idea of model, view, template. What are these things? And see, Django, the most important thing, Django is working as a controller itself in this here. And see, so that's how Django implements three component and works in coordination with each three components to each other. Okay, so this is the basic idea of model, view, template and the introduction of Django. So thanks for watching the video. If you like, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.